So this is pound yen analysis for Wednesday 13th of June. Now let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices break down from this 148. We've had price turn to this 146.38. Trade slightly below that level, came pretty close for a test of that 146 before seeing that bullish buy side momentum return to the market, taking us back above the 47.35. We've had prices head up towards this 148. We came pretty close towards that 148, having a brief pullback. Had this upwards consolidative move here on the pound against the yen. We've seen a marked slowdown in the acceleration in momentum, but there is still a bias to the long side nonetheless. So look to see if prices do hold resistance around this 148, which we have previously. If we do hold resistance, looking for a move back down towards a 147.35. Successful break from which we do have to be aware of the dynamic level of both the 200 and the 400 period moving averages. The 200 period moving average sitting around at 147. Failing to hold support at the 200 period moving average, potentially looking for price to return to 146.38. Successful break from which we're then looking for price head down towards our 146 level here on the pound against the yen. Now, if we do break and hold above the 148 level, the very next level that we're looking at here to the upside would be a move towards our 148.46. Successful break from which we're looking for a move towards our 148.61. Both levels might be tested at the same time. And if we do not find resistance around at 148.46 or 148.61, we're then looking for a move towards our 149.10. And would expect possibly that to be near the far end of the range. But if there is sufficient volatility to the upside, either today or in the coming days, we're looking for a move potentially up towards our 149.78 here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing on the pound yen. Get the scale on here correct. And as you can see, we had a pretty strong sell-off, an equally strong recovery, brief pullback down towards that support in around at 146, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. Didn't quite get there for a test, but we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So it does appear that we do have a low, potentially a higher low posted there from this pullback. Prices do seem poised for a test of that 148.46, after which we're then looking for prices to head over to this area of confluence in around at 149.78, where we do have the 200 period moving average, and we also had a previous swing in the market where we could encounter resistance due to the level, the confluences in around at 149.78 here on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.